This young boy and his friend went out to take a drink just because of 200 naira change. His friend promised to deal with him ruthlessly, and on this note, his friend nudged up with his village people just to punish him because of 200 naira. Unknown to him and others, there's a spirit protecting him from all evils.
See, watch your back. Watch your back.
Make I watch my
watch
back.
Your back. You go see him. Watch your back. This guy dey try me because of 200.
Make I watch my back for my money.
Don't do.
Hey. No quants.
For this Nigerian if I mind you, but not
Elder, you get wetin carry me come. That boy wey be na village boy for here. The boy give me problem today. The boy don't turn my enemy. That's why I say me I can't join you now. So that I go fit do wetin I want do.
Now, I say this boy.
That boy give me problem for road today. He give me big problem, and I want do something big. I just want to help me. Make his wife go shit on now. As the wife dey shake like that, make the guy go catch am. If he catch am, at attack, go come follow am like that. If he attack, follow am. He go come sit down outside, dey think about am. Elder, are you with me? He go sit down outside, dey think about am. Then one big thunder like that go come strike am. Na wetin I wan do am be that. And I know say with your power, na go help me do am. That's why I come.
Nine.
Elder, are you with me? Elder, you dey understand wetin I dey talk?
Zappa.
I know say una go help me do am. They will not to do me because of 200 naira.
People wicked.
Wetin you wan show me now?
Me for road because of 200 naira.
Man of a man. Very, very wicked.
No think about that one when they go. Elder,
Where be this guy?
no say if you
Even we were there for this village. We were Unani, we were there for this village. We know hot like this.
Wetin I do am? No problem.
This person, this boy, wickedness. You get that damn number. Zappa. God forbid.
Elder, you don't understand what I dey talk. I know leave am make dey go. You go help me do am. Leave am make dey go. Elder, if you help me do this thing, I get big thing for you. Make the thunder just strike am. Na 200 naira, Elder. Na 200 naira. For George and I dey fight me because of 200 naira. Elder, I know say na you get power pass. You go help me do am. Elder, any I think am, in the evening I dey come back. Yeah? Think am.
Yeah, you said oh.
They fight me because of 200.
Huh? Mashere one nyom. Oh.
For my 200 naira, you won't finish me. How you want take die? Where the guy? Michelle, where this guy? On top my 200 naira.
My son. Even we were there for this village. We know do you reach wetin this boy dey wan do you so.
I miss them as surprise.
Wetin you do this boy? Me, I beg I say make you go beg the boy so that the boy no go do am hot son.
My village people, wetin I do am? See o. What's my change? Hey, guy, no change here, so I go collect. Guy, no, I won't go do something and I need to carry.
Yeah,
I want to carry bike.
Come as go collect am now.
Yeah, no change here. You have
You won't fight me because of 200.
Like, you won't spend
Come as go
it.
collect am. I go spend am.
Guy,
I wait till you why you won't fight me.
Guy, when
because of
your
John they won't fight. I say make you come house come collect
why you
am.
come your house? Money, no just change am here
I say
now.
make you come house come collect you 200.
Don't na serious. Make you just give me make
You won't fight me because of 200.
happen? Yeah, you find the road go somewhere.
I
Me
go
just
carry this money go house.
why you go carry am go
You
house?
no go do anything. I go carry this money go house. You get?
Calm down now.
You don't tell where I mean the guy. I'm gonna leave am.
Oh, you don't tell where
See,
you mean
watch
me.
your back. Watch your back.
Make I watch my
Watch your
back.
back. You go see am. Watch your back. This guy dey try me.
Make I watch my back for my money.
Don't.
No plans, no plans.
I don't talk my own.
Where dey? Where follow?
Now, you know where you follow.
One person must go down.
Yeah, I don't know where you follow.
That's.
You waste my time.
If you ask me, who I go ask?
And what we dey? You wan price market. Oh. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please do well to follow. Just follow. This is an ad, I know, but please, we're doing this ad so that it will reach you guys. What is the essence of creating content without audience? So please share some love, show some love, follow up. And this storyline is massive. My village people, enemy, and I know you would like to see more. So we'll be dropping this video every Thursday and Friday on our YouTube channel and Facebook page, and also the Instagram. So please do well, show some love, please like, share, and would love to hear your comments.
Do it to like, comment, and share. Love you guys. Do it to share.
Yeah,
Follow,
I know it's hard,
like.
guys, I get you.